Good morning, everyone. My name is Shreya Desani, a student of SFC College, and today I'll be presenting the presentation of Global IT Outsourcing and IBM's IT strategy. So, here we'll be discussing the introduction to global IT outsourcing, the key benefits, drawbacks, overview, impact of IT outsourcing on IBM, and conclusions and takeaways. So, what is IT outsourcing in the first place? IT outsourcing is when the companies hire external providers for the IT services instead of handling them in-house. So, as we can even see in the pie chart that over 72% of the companies are outsourcing their services and everything, and just 28% of the companies are doing it in-house. So the common services that are outsourced are basically the software development, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and tech support. So company outsource because they want to save the cost and gain the expertise to improve their efficiency. There are some benefits of global IT outsourcing. For example, the cost efficiency. Like before, the companies were spending over $2.5 million just to complete their task by their own. But after outsourcing these things, they are just spending like even lesser than $1.5 million to complete those same tasks. Okay, and they can even have the access to the experts. Like it's difficult for every company to have expert of each and every field to get the task done. The scalability, the work is done very fast, and without any major investments. Focus on the core operations. Let's business concentrate on the strategic growth instead of the IT management. Everything does have a good side and a bad side too. So does this global IT outsourcing to have it. For example, the quality control issues. So about 42% of the leaders have reported the quality concerns in outsourced projects. The security risk, as we can see even in the chart, that the security breaches have been increased from the year of 2018 to the year of 2023. And there are the communication barriers. For example, the differences in the time zones and language may lead to the miscommunication, the over-reliance on the vendors. Excessive outsourcing can reduce the internal expertise and innovation. View of IBM's IT strategy. Effective delivery techniques. So IBM is global technology leader, as we all know, specializing in AI, cloud computing, and enterprise solutions. So IBM do a thing that they strategically uses their outsourcing to streamline their operations and even to improve their efficiency. So IBM do a thing that it collaborates with external partners like Microsoft, Infosys, TCS, Accenture, Wipro, and HCL to get the task done like cloud computing, AI and automation, and IT support, as we can see in that table. How does even the outsourcing impact on the IT strategy that they have been using? Okay, so first of all, it gives the innovation boost by outsourcing the things like artificial intelligence and cloud computing. It really helps them to get the help of experts in the industry. The cost optimization is the second thing. So outsourcing helps the IBM to manage the cost effectively, even the global IT support. So when the tasks are outsourced to the other people, so the services are available round the clock. Balancing the risk, as that some of the things are done in house and some of the things are outsourced, so that really helps IBM to maintain the quality and control. It really gives a lot of huge control. What do we even understand by this presentation? So I have listed down a few conclusion and a takeaway. So first things first, what is IT outsourcing? Companies may use the external providers for their IT services to reduce the cost and access the expertise to scale quickly. IBM strategy, they do use the strategies of innovation, global IT support, and balancing the risk. There are a few key benefits too, which is cost efficiency, expert access, scalability, and focus on the growth. The drawbacks are global concerns, security concerns, communication barriers, and over reliance on the vendors. So here we are done with the presentation.